Ang pinapakita ko lang dito is yung pattern, no?
Okay.
Tinakot yung house. Okay?
Into signing.
Into signing. Oh, pagkatapos nun, ako tinakot. Sinabi, pag tumistigo ko, ay...
You'll be expelled.
I'll be expelled. Tapos sabi ni Boyet kanina, friendly reminder. When has expulsion become a friendly reminder? I know, even in school, di ba Karen, lahat tayo nagdaan sa high school. Pag sinabing, pag ginawa mo pa yan ulit, kick out ka na, hindi friendly reminder yun. That is a stern warning. As a lawyer, ito, magaling na abogado, you never threaten a witness. If you threaten a witness, you can be disbarred. So he should be the one to be expelled, not me. I'm just telling the truth.
It's punishable under the revised penal code.
Again?
Yes, threatening a witness.
Threatening a witness
Yes.
is ano?
Yes.
You can be expelled?
It's punishable.
No,
under
you
the
can be
revised penal
disbarred.
code.
Really?
Yes,
Yes.
also.